Good morning, everybody on YouTube. I didn't get shit or sleep last night. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have to set this up real quick. I know I said it was going on 8, but I'm on a little early. Obviously. Okay, now we're set. All right, what is going on? Has anyone looked at this stuff? Let's see. We have boop, boop, a doop, doop. I see a little flipping of reds. Let's see what's going on. Sell, sell, sell. Buy stop. $30. So buy stop to the 15-second blue line. NQ1 and NAS. Oh. There we go. Yeah. Buy stop NAS and NQ1 to the 15-second blue line. Let me get some of this stuff. Yeah. All right. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook Live. Bitcoin. I'm just going to bop through a few of these. I want to check a few for myself. Bitcoin buy stop. Bitcoin's going to go up to $71,606.80. 15-minute buy stop. Bitcoin's going to $74,108. Good morning, Gio. What's up, Gio? Buy stop to the 30-minute blue line. Buy stop to the 1 hour. Bitcoin's going to $84,029.07. Told you Bitcoin was going back down there again. Yeah. Weekly, 3-weekly buy stop Bitcoin. I would take any 30-minute buy you can get on Bitcoin. It's going to hook, like I told you, come back down, and it already did that. It's going to do it again, it looks like. Fuck. Let me see this daily, weekly. Not done going down yet. Bitcoin going up. Take profits will be as it rises, $79,551, $93,539. I love the take profit of Bitcoin of $105,972.50. And then Bitcoin will go above 125,000. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch. Good morning, Mike Lewinsky, Mr. C, and Ryan. Who do we have on? Maybe we don't have anything. Hold on, let me see my little lives. NQ, let's see. NQ is hitting its 15-second blue line, is called out live by me. It is hitting it now live. You're in the money on that trade. You're in the money on that trade. You can close the trade down if you'd like. You're in the money on that trade. You're welcome on that. There is no one on YouTube? Well, there's a few, like 9 of you, but no one's talking. That's kind of odd. In the money on the free money giveaway on the 15-second buy. All take profits hit on the NAS and NQ 15-second buy. You're in the money on that trade. I'm giving out these calls to you guys because that's what I do for the trading community, as they say. Gorgeous little trade right there. Super easy. It's going to come, ricochet, come back down, and then go back up again. US 30. Don't take the buys on US 30 and YM1, by the way. Good morning, K-Swag. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook Live. I know I'm not supposed to be out on the live until 8, but I got a little jump, so I'm on it now. Just made our first 2 successful trades, NQ1 and NAS to the 15-second blue line. Man, am I tired. Where is my... Oh. That's funny. I didn't even know this is my phone. Where did the line go? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you all had a blessed weekend. Hope you had a happy Valentine's Day weekend. Hope you got to do some fun things with the people you love. I do it every 30 minutes. Boop. There we go. How was my weekend? Oh, it was fantastic. We went up to Atlanta, to Buckhead, and me and my beautiful wife, and we had a great, spent the night up there and went shopping up there and went out to eat at Cheesecake Factory. And yeah, it was very nice. Thank you for asking, K-Swag. All right. Oreo trading, that's funny. Who else is here? Oh, just a few people. Wow. Okay. I was trying to get a jump on things. I'm going to go back to Bitcoin here, and then we'll take a look at a few others while we're waiting for everyone to join. Yeah, here we go. So I just called out Bitcoin. I'm good with that call. Let me see what this is. Litecoin. First thing we check is this indicator that is a robot. It actually tells you when to take your trades or not. That's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. Oh, speaking of that, I wonder if I can get these changed. Litecoin. It's flipping to a buy. Let's see what's going on in that 1 minute. Yeah, that's cheap. There you go. Buy stop Litecoin to the 2 minute blue line. $54.75. Yeah, I don't care about the 5. Let's see the 10 minute. 30 minute. 1 hour. Buy stop to the 1 hour blue line. $72.48 for Litecoin. Daily sell. Daily, weekly sell. 3 weekly buy. Monthly buy. Monthly, 3 monthly buy stop Litecoin. Litecoin can go out. Oh, shit. Litecoin can go down to $38.94. I'm calling to take profits on the monthly buy, though. Kim is $86.52, $100, $134, and then $149.96.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I responded to your question this morning, K-Swag in YouTube, but no, you do not. You just have to be able to get to TradingView. The system is online. You don't need a big computer or anything like that. Good morning, Bob. What's up, Bob? Well, Bree's sleeping. She's not up. I've been up since 5 this morning trying desperately to go back to sleep. I should have just came on and did a live, but I did not. Yeah, my system is strictly an online system. So you don't need a lot of memory. All right, that's Litecoin. Let's take a look at CVS. First thing we do is look at the indicator called the rifle. It's a custom indicator to my system. Tells us which way the trend is going. And CVS is completely green, which means it's a complete buy, which we knew. That's why we're in it. Daily, weekly buy stop. Love the trade. Daily, weekly buy. Let me see that weekly. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Came over, hopped, came up. That's actually perfect. So we have that one. Earnings. Look at this shit. You can see clearly the red right there in earnings, right? And then the green and so on. They're so weird. But at any rate, CVS is a daily, weekly buy stop, has been called out forever now. It's going to go back up to $81.09. It's going to go back up to $83.29. It's going to go back up to $84.75. No worries, K-Swag. All right, and that is CVS. It is a buy and has been a buy.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What is up, Jesus? Good morning to you on TikTok. We're going to go over Estee Lauder. Beautiful. Whoa, 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 whoa. Estee Lauder is a daily buy. Whoa, whoa. I got to give this to the. Oh, hold on. Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder. Where are my notes at? Where's some blank? Yeah, that'll work. For the VIP group, Estee Lauder. Wow. Love this trade. Let me make sure we're okay on the rest of these. Something going on here. Money trade to the 32nd blue line. What's that about? Yeah, no, we're good. 1 minute. Sell to the 1 minute blue line. $107. Yeah. No, I like this trade. This is beautiful. All right. I'm going to go into the shit. 3 months, 6 month buy stop. I've been calling this forever. Just a gorgeous trade. How low can this go back down to? $59. $71. No, you don't get many opportunities. This is a buy up. I don't care. I'm calling it. All right, I'm going to go into our little room. We're going to go to Kev's personal call outs. I'm going to have to delete all these. I'm going to have to take this. Hold on. I got to change this room. Edit channel. Permissions. Private channel. No. Add members or roles. No. Yeah, you can add reactions. Okay, save changes. Now, let me get rid of. This is a. Good morning to everyone. What is Estee Lauder at right now? Good morning. $107.87. Let me see that 3-minute again. Hold on one second. Good morning to everybody. I'm not ignoring you. I have to get this thing typed out for everybody in the group. Or all right, where are we going to call these take profits for everybody? Oh, jeez. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me see something here. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Let's try that again. All right, let's see where this orange line is. Okay. So if we go under Publix, we're going to trade it. No, we're not doing any of those fucking things. We're taking a regular ass fucking option. Let's go out daily. $175. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Everybody in the VIP group, please check your Kev's personal demo trades. I'm about to post something in there for you. We're going to go to December, January. January 27. Demo trade only. These are just the trades I'm taking or would take. All right. Boop. There you go. All right. Let's see. Where were we? Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Just made a VIP call. Oh, everybody's here now. Sorry, I kind of ignored y'all for a minute. Let's see. Good morning, Positive Relationships. Stacy Ocho. Good morning. Good morning. Oops, sorry, I didn't show K-Swag. Good morning, K-Swag. Good morning, Positive Relationships. Good morning, Stacy Ocho. So everybody that's in the VIP group, I just posted a trade for you guys. Please look out for that. It's very, 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 I love this trade. All right, SMCI, I'm going to check next. Let's see, SMCI, I believe it did all kinds of great stuff, but I think it's resetting again. Yep, oh, we got a little sell. The red right here, red means down in almost everyone's system, and in mine it does. Green means up, red means down. It's a 3-month. What do we got here? Monthly? Yep. Monthly, 3-monthly buy stop, SMCI. Let me see that 3 months. Yeah. Very nice. Let me go back down to that monthly. All right. How below are we on the daily? Daily sell to $27.19 for SMCI. Oh, that's nice. Damn, I love. Are we down low enough? Oh, yeah, it's not. What do they call? Sell to $23.69. But then this is a monthly 3-month buy stop. I love this trade. Let me see what that 30-minute looks like. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can find on this one. Matter of fact, I'm going to call this out in my private group. It's going to take a minute to flip, but it's coming back around. All right, that is SMCI.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You guys can call any symbol you want, and I'll tell you where it's going and what's going to happen to it. All right, we're looking at PFE next. Little sell going on. Sell, sell, sell. Something's different right here. Let me go to that 5-minute. Buy 10-minute. Buy 15-minute. 30-minute buy. Oh, gorgeous. 30-minute buy PFE. PFE is going to be going to $27.76, and then it's going to $27.96. Let's see. Up to higher time frames. It's still below its daily. Let's see what this 12 hours doing. Oh, nice. Buy to the 12-hour blue line. That is gorgeous. Buy buy PFE to its daily blue line. I love this trade. $30.86. Absolutely love the trade. Absolutely. It's amazing. That is a beautiful trade right there. I'm not going to call the sell that's going to happen after that, but that daily buy is fantastic. PFE to the daily blue line.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
PFE. All right. Mind looking at these two symbols. GLDG and NIOMF. Good morning, Grant. GLD and I. Don't repeat yourself. Good morning, El Flacco. Good morning, Eye Catcher. Good morning, Sam K. We did have a wonderful weekend up in Atlanta. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend too. All right. Someone wants me to look at 2. This is positive relationships. GLD, which I've called before, but I don't know what that other thing is on there. GLDG. Gold mining. Well, what difference is that thing in GLD? Oh, whatever. All right. First thing we're going to do is look at our indicator called the sniper rifle. The rifle is a semi-automatic trading robot. It tells you when to take a trade. It tells you the overall trend, whether things are going up or down. You can clearly see that the short-term things are flipping up. So let's go to the 15-second and see why it hasn't hit that yet. Yep, about to. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line. It's going to go to $1.52. Good morning, Martar. Buy stop to the 2-minute blue line. It's going to go to $1.54. I don't care about that. Let's see what this mess is right here and why is it looking like that. It's 1 hour something, so let's go to the 45-minute then and see. Sell to the 45-minute blue line. Sell to the 1 hour blue line. $1.45. But these are all high, so you can see the upward trend is a buy. This is a daily buy stop on GLDG. Take profit of $1.57, $1.76, and $2.15. Yeah, it looks like you were a little late to this party. It's an okay symbol. We have better, but that's your GLDG
Demo
thing.
trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
NIOF. NIOF. NI. North American Niobium and Critical Minerals. What in the heck is neobium? Is that a metal? What in the world? Never heard of that. All right, let's see what this is doing, if we can read it. I don't know. It seems awfully challenging. If I can't see it on my chart, I can't read it. Why is it not picking up? I can't read the symbol at all. Please don't ask the symbol again. Thank you. What's up, El Flacco? What's up, Eyecatcher again? Sam K and Martar. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook Live. I don't know if there's any news this morning, nor do I care. Good morning, the Griffey. Morning, Martar on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, all that BS stuff. Again, if there is news, whatever. There we go. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. All right, we're going to go back to the stocks I wanted to look at. If anybody has any other stocks, though, please ask. Make sure they're not some shitty-ass no-name stock. I need to be able to read it with my charts, please. If they don't have much history or they're too new, I can't read them, and I'm not dealing with that. This is Starbucks. Sell, 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 sell. But there's something funny going on there at that 15-minute, 30-minute. It's a heads up. It's alerting us. Sell. Let's see to that 30. Sell to the 30-minute blue line. Starbucks, $92.80. Sell to the 1 hour blue line, $90.40 for Starbucks. Love it. Love this daily, weekly buy stop. Starbucks. Three monthly buy stop, Kim. Yeah, gorgeous. This is going to go up. Starbucks is going back to take profit one, $97.20. Take profit two, $100.82. Take profit three, $105.66. Take profit four, $125.01. That's Starbucks.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
If you guys want me to name any symbol, please ask. Just please make sure it's not some kind of rinky-dink thing that doesn't really have any kind of history. I need history in order for my charts to for the system to work. Flow. Flow, flow, flow. Oh, shit. Look at Flow go. Whoa, where is she going to? What is this about? Hold on. Whoa, 3 month, 6 month buy stop Flow. Whoa. Interesting. It looks like it's starting to turn now, but I don't like that. That's really interesting. Let's see. Sell, sell, sell. 1 minute. So it's flipping up. Let's see why that 1 minute is not turned yet. Buy to the 1 minute blue line. Flow Rida. 1 minute. $10.83. Let's see the 5 minute. So where's it going to go to? To the 4 hour. Let's see. 2 hour. Nope, way past that. Buy stop to the 4 hour blue line, but I'm not done calling this sell yet. Hold on. Where's she going to blow to? Whoa, that's crazy. Look at that thing go down. I love it. The further it goes down, the more money we'll make on the way up. So this is just a beautiful thing. 3 months, 6 month buy stop, like I just said. Take profit. $14, $17, $20. Take profit. $24.39. The final take profit will go over $29.36 per FLO.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Martar. What's up, Kick? What's up, Tommy? Hope you're feeling good, my friend. What about the big boy Tesla? Sure. Good morning, Tommy. We follow Tesla really closely. Elon was supposed to give me $1 billion in my mind, but he never did. I don't know why. I called out Tesla for him multiple times. But let's take a look. It's actually a closed trade, meaning symbol. Meaning I called it out correctly over the last couple of years, and it's been perfect. We have nothing, sell, 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 sell to the 4 hour blue line. 4 hour sell, but there's something cool with that data. Let's take that. 5 hours. See what's up. Sell to the 5 hour blue line. Tesla is going down to $374.24. Tesla will be heading down towards $338.19. And then Tesla turns into a weekly? Yep. Nope. Daily, weekly buy stop. Let me see that. 3 months. Too high. Well, it is what it is. I'm going to call it for y'all. Daily, weekly buy. Tesla, it's going to go up to $452.78. Take profit 1. Take profit 2 will be $489.32. Now, what's up with this 3 months? Because I don't like the way that's looking. Me, myself, and I went and touched Tesla with the 10-foot pole right now. I'd wait for Tesla to come back down on its 3 month. If you look right here, you can see the pink line is low back here when I call the buys. Now it's too high on a 3 month. I need this to hook and come back down. When the last time it did it? Yeah. Tesla can go back down to as low as $258.33. Now, if it gets there again, we'll be calling the buys again. But right now, all take profits that I called last year for Tesla, which are right here, have been hit. I'm good. Let it come back down to minimum of 315.17 before I would re-enter. And realistically, I would wait till at least 258.33 for Tesla. It will go back up again, but it's not prepared at this time. I don't care if I miss this trade. I don't give a F. It's fine. Tesla's 3 month buy stop needs a reset. So
demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning. Everyone should be thanking Tommy. He not only built our Discord, but he's helping us with our coding of the BreeBot, upcoming BreeBot. Thank you, Tommy. You're the best. Good morning, Zilla. Good morning, Mike Jones. Good morning, Eye Catcher. Sure, we could look at gold. Featured commodity, Pepperstone. No, I'm going to do this one. Gold. All right. Every call out I've made on gold over the last, forever has been correct, thanks to Kim Harrington, who turned us on to gold and said how easy it was to trade. And I've listened to her, and we were able to make call after call, including a lot of signal call outs for gold. There's something happening between 5 minutes and 10 minutes. If there is any news today, I don't give a F. I don't feel like trading it, but if you want me to, I will. 12 minute, 15 minute. Gold. That's going to go below that already. It's cheat. I'm not taking a cheat win. Sell to the 15-minute blue line, $4,983.31. Never take a sell on gold. Gold is always a buy, so I'm going to come up here and look for the buy. And give me 1 second over here. Oh, I thought I heard something. My bad. Gold is a 2 hour, 3 hour. Let's see if it's a 4 hour. 4 hour buy stop on gold. Okay. 5 hour, 12 hour buy stop on gold. Gold will be going back, as I told you. Look at that. Told you it was going to set a new record high. Told you. Anyway, it's going to go past 56.7802. So $5,678.02 will be gold daily buy. Remember now on gold, we're waiting for this weekly pink line inside of my sniper right here to dip and come down. Once this dips and comes down, you'll be able to get back into gold. Yeah, I would. You can take these calls that I made on gold, but I would personally wait until this weekly pink line drops. But that's just me.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Tommy, grateful as always for your input. Amen. Yay. We are very grateful to you, Tommy. Thanks for the TSA Tesla look. It is my forever hold. Bought my equity. Nice at $20. Yeah, Tommy, I think you're fucking. Obviously, you can retire any time, but that Tesla one was an amazing call at 20. Damn, that would have been nice. I don't ever remember seeing Tesla that low ever, but that's awesome. Good morning, Kick. Thanks for everything, says Larry Cooper. Good morning, Larry Cooper. What's up, Larry? Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Larry Cooper, Geo, the Griffey, Mr. C, Liz, user 6240, Ryan Marcus, Sam K, Eddie, Johnny Boy, Johnny Boy, one of my best friends, John, really, John. Anyway, FX Bull, DD14 Investing, TikTok Toker, and Martar. Welcome to you new ones that are at the channel. I'm live on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook, all that good stuff. You can actually see me if you want to see my ugly ass face for some reason. I am visually on the YouTube now. Well, time was much higher, but now it shows 20 because of the splits. Oh, okay. Nice. Tommy's kicking. As always, Tommy's an amazing trader. Just amazing part of our group. Good morning, Brian Invest. And Tommy, good man. Oh, am I tired? Tommy got up at 5, went to bed at 1. I didn't get any sleep last night. It's been a horror show. I tried going to sleep from 5 to 7, and I finally gave up and said, fuck it. Actually, it was like 4:30. What's up, Eddie? Good morning, Eddie, on TikTok. Good morning, Brian Starkey. And is this Brian Invest? Are you the same person? There's a Brian. That's funny that both Brians popped up at the same time. Good morning, Brian Starkey. Well, let's see. I don't think my thing is set. There we go. Hoy, I'm tired, boy. Shit, it's going to be a long-ass day. We have a... Tommy, check the VIP. I made a direct call on Estee Lauder earlier. It's an unbelievable... we've called Estee Lauder from the very bottom, but Estee Lauder is a daily buy. Not the same person. Thank you, Brian Starkey. But look into Estee Lauder, Tommy. You can get some options on that really cheap, and it's a daily buy. We don't get the daily buys, as you know, very often on a big name like that. All right. Anybody else want me to look at anything else? Ask away. How is our indices doing? I haven't checked. Oh, this is great. Look at that. We got a beautiful pullback coming here. Let me see this. 5 second, 10 second. Let me see something here. Maybe a 5 minute. I don't like that. Let's see, 3 minute. Nope. 1 minute. There is a sell to the 1 minute blue line of NQ1, $24,853, but I never do sells. You guys know I rarely do sells. Everything I call, generally speaking, is a buy. I don't like that one either. Let me see the 30. Ooh, nope. Let me see. Why does it look like that? Let me see. There we go. Now, NAS. No, don't want that either. All right, let's look up here then. Maybe a 2-hour buy. Nope, sell. Let's go over here and go to the 5-hour. Two-hour, 5-hour sell stop, all 6 indices that we trade regularly, which is ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, and US30 and YM1. 12-hour, don't care. Yeah, daily. Okay, they are all daily, weekly buy stops. US30 and YM1 are the only ones not low enough, but that's okay. Love these daily buys on all indices to record highs. Daily buys, NAS 100, take profit, $25,056.14, $25,228.19, $25,443.25, $25,744.34, and then it will go over a record high. It'll go over 26,200 for NAS. All 6 indices are daily, weekly buys. All 6 indices will be going to record highs. You're welcome.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What is up? Yeah, please do. XRP, I could look at XRP. Are we having a VIP meeting today? No, we are not. We are having an open, by the way, speaking of that, we are having an open to the public VIP meeting tomorrow. Go to bed early and get some good sleep. I wish, Tommy. We stay up till about 12 to 1 every day. I just didn't take my gummies, so I'm fucked. But that's our screwed. I'm trying not to cuss as much. All right. What am I doing? XRP. Oh, yeah. Somebody wanted XRP. What was the other thing they wanted? Oh, the VIP meeting. Hold on. I'll get to XRP in a second. Tommy, get your adverbs here. Probably none even knows what that is. All right, let's go over to here. All right. This is all right. We have sent out, and everyone here should have received that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yeah. There'll be 7 emails, of which 3 of them have already been sent out about the next meeting we're going to have for the VIP, which is tomorrow. On 2/18, we have a VIP class coming. It's going to be open to the general public. Let's go ahead and put that up there. I mean, anyone and everyone will be able to attend this class. You have to be signed up for the emails to get it. As long as you have an email sign up, you will be getting a message. The next VIP private demo group trading class is 1, open to the public, which happens 1 time a month only. 2, help me out here. What's tomorrow? 2 is tomorrow, the 17th. Whoa. Maybe I have the wrong date. Hold on. No, 2/17. I'm right. 2/17. Now hold on. Let me delete this one. All right. Let's go back to here. Tomorrow, 4:30. So 2/17. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't give a freak what time period you people are on. You go by my time, and it's Eastern Standard Time. I can't convert that for all of you. You check it out yourselves or do whatever you're going to do. I really don't know nor care. Must be in the email alert to get the invite. You can join the email alerts. For free at our site, thesafetytrade.com. Okay, can't even spell tomorrow, right? I am a horrible speller and I'm an okay trader. How about that? One time month only, must be able to get the invite. There you go. All right. So that is exciting news. Schoolhouse Rock, baby. Good morning, Drewski. What's up? I don't care if there's any news. I'm not even bothering. Does anybody have any questions? Once a month, we open it up. This is our first month coming up, and I think we had an exceptional first month. Anyone in the VIP group would like to speak up now? Feel free. Do you believe the VIP class is kicking major ass or not? I think it is kicking major butt. If you need to see, you can go over to here. Give me 1 second here. All right. So how to sign up for the email alerts? You head over to our site right here. You click on thesafetrade.com. You click on, not that. Well, I guess you could do that too if you want to actually join the class, but you know what I mean. Let's see. Right here. Get the email alerts here. Get the email alerts, lives, and free demo signals. You need to do both. If you only do one, you might not get the alerts. So I would do both, just so you're clear. 7s if we're all clear on the fact that we're having our next VIP meeting. It's open to the public anyways. Let me get that shut there. 7s if you understand that we have the next VIP class scheduled is for tomorrow at 2/17/26 at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's open to the public. This is the only one once a month we do it. This is your one time a month you can actually come in. Must be in the email alerts to get the invite. You can join the email list for free at our site, the Safety Tard. Oh my God, I can't spell to save my life. Even with spell check, I'm a horrible speller. That's saying something right there. How about that? Thesafetytrade.com. Oh boy, am I tired. All right. Sam K, Martar, and Grant. There's only 3 people here, really. Interesting. Thank you, Larry and Super Z. What's up, Kev? Good morning, Kev. Good morning, Super Z. I just saw your message. Oh, all right. Someone wants me to call out XRP, but as long as you guys are good knowing this is what's happening, I will try to flash that up again, but there's no guarantee on that. 28 people. Okay, so good. Now let's get rid of this and go over to, no. Where am I going over to? No. Boop, boop, ba doop, boop. No, I want to do this. So we're going to come over to here. All right. My only goal in life is to help you guys become a more consistently profitable trader so you can retire if you want to. Demo trade only. List of retired or could be if they wanted to, the Safety Trade System members. LSU Jamie A. Retired from a 170,000 year job. You imagine that? Can I highlight? Let me see something here. Let me see. Can I make that bigger? No. Isn't that interesting? Well, let me do it this way then. Maybe I can do it like this. Yeah. LSU, retired from $170,000 a year crane operator job. Now I catch pips and dips. Jamie A. Mr. C, I think he's on this morning too, by the way. Could retire if he wants to. Lucy, a teenage daughter of one of our members, a junior in high school, had a very profitable day Friday, and her week went from $500 to $5,000 in less than a week. Kevin, my daughter is teaching me to trade. D-Hoss, isn't that funny to me? I don't know. That just sounds funny. Let me get that down there. Oops, let's clear that off of there. All right. D-Hoss. Maybe if I can scoosh this down. There we go. Oh, really? Okay, forget it. I won't use it then. Let's use this. Sure. D-Hoss. In the top 10% of his age group for money earned and saved, retired. D. Nice, retired. Marco Risby, retired. Kimberly Harrington, retired. Maria Toller, a stay-at-home mom. Mr. Gold, I believe he's on this morning, is Gary, retired. Boost, Josh, retired October of 2024. Thomas, Tommy, who's on our live right now. Biggest trade ever for Tommy is, there it is, $203,000 on gold. Jay, biggest trade ever was on US 30, if I'm not mistaken, $223,000. Rocket, Larry, and Harry make several $100s a week. One of our members did so good that he not only could retire if he wanted to, he spent 3 years becoming a regulated broker in Norway. He has his own house and car from the Safety Trade System. And here's a nice little testimonial right here. Big shout out to Kevin Bree, Keith Palmer, John Parker, and all the Safety Trade families that support the community and are here day in and day out fighting for us all to be successful. I am an OG Safety Trade System subscriber. And I remember when we were on MT4 learning and going through the amazing system, and basically goes on to say how he pulled his 10,000, 20,000, and that is J-Flow. If he can do it, you can do it. 2 members were homeless who are no longer homeless thanks to the system. And those are a little group. And there's a dozen or two more. I just don't have any time to deal with adding people to the names. I'm trying to keep current, but I didn't go back. So there's a lot there. Oh, my tired. Good morning, Persistent. Yay, I know, isn't that nice? All right. Great stuff. Okay, thank you, Gio. Thank you, K-Swag, and thank you all for being here. Aha. We have an end. Oh, shoot. 2 minute buy. 2 minute buy. Why is no one paying attention? We actually have to trade this morning. 2 minute buy stop. Let's see if we got it. Yes. Yes, we do. Buy stop to the 2 minute blue line. Why are my alarms not going off? Did they already go off and I missed them? No, there ain't no way in hell. Those are your take profits. Buy stop all indices to the NAS and NQ1 2 minute blue line. This is a free money giveaway trade. This is a free, take any buy stop you can find. How's mine doing? That you can find. I'll hold on that one. But yeah, I got a couple trades open right now on that. NQ1, 1 minute buy stop to 2 minute blue line. Well, it's to the 2 minute blue line. Correct read on that. Very good. No, that is definitely not a 1 minute buy stop to there. No, no, no. Absolutely not. But it is to the 2 minute blue line. That is correct. Yay. I am so tired. I seriously doubt I'm staying up past open. When open comes, I'm going to hit this button off. I'm going to go try to go back to sleep again, but I'm not sure I can, but I'm going to try. Take any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stop, 30 second buy stop, 45 second buy stop, 1 minute buy stop to the 2 minute blue line. Let's see. What does that mean? We can go down to the 1 second, tell you. Nothing there. I love the 5 second. I would play sell to the 5 second blue line SPX. It's going to go down to there, but I'm not calling it officially because we're just going to wait. Take any buy stop you can find, 5 second, 10 second, preferably. You'll see a nice one forming right now. There is a 5 second on YM1. Oh, someone said XRP. Let me find that person again. XRP. There you go. Positive relationships asking for XRP. So let me go ahead and read that for that person. All right. XRP. You and me. XRP. Dynamite. All right. First thing we always look at is the indicator on my system called the rifle. And it works hand in hand with the entire system. It tells us which way the trend is going in one quick glance. It is unbelievably effective. This is XRP, the symbol right here. This is me looking across the symbol right here. Let me scooch you over a little bit for you on TikTok. It tells us there's something happening between the 15 second and 30 second. So we're going to go to that 15 second. Sell 30 second. XRP, sell to the 30 second blue line, $1.48. Then you can see there's this little upward trend in the middle time frames. And I'm going to go to the 30 minute and see if it's going to go. Well, I'm going to go to the 20 minute. Yep, nope, don't care. 30 minute. Buy stop. Buy stop, 30 minute XRP. XRP is going back to $1.55. Now, let's go over to here to the 2 hour. 2 hour buy stop, XRP to $1.85. Sell, 5 hour sell to where? 5 hour sell, 5 hour sell to the daily. We don't have a daily, really? No shit, fuck. Daily sell, I told you would go down here anyways, $1.20 XRP, but this is where it gets beautiful. XRP. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop, XRP. XRP is going to be going back to take profit 1, 3 week buy stop, $1.86. It'll be going back to $2.08. It'll be going back to $2.47 for XRP.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yep, already called it for you. You're welcome, Positive Relationships. Any other symbols you guys want me to call? We have about, well, I guess 45 minutes, probably. Hopefully not that long. Damn, I'm so tired. Dang on. Ooh, when you're used to getting sleep these days and I don't get any, it's a different feeling. I've been sleeping so good lately. I try to take a day or two off with the gummies, though, so this is one of those days. Actually, it's my second or third day with that, but anyway. Yeah, XRP, baby. It was our golden child for a while there. When it was at 31 cents for years. We made so much money. We made 10 times your money. It was a 10 banger. We went from 31 cents to $3. Let me see what else we got here. Spreebot. Oreo trading. I laugh. I love pissing people off. Yeah, I already said that. Yep, I did that one. Yeah, we already did all that private group stuff for you guys. All right. Our first month in the private group is coming up to a close. I am extremely happy with the VIP group. It's exceptional, the learning that goes on in there, so you can see how my mind thinks with these trades and a little more clarity I can get into. You guys can talk to me, ask all your questions. It's the equivalent, literally, of the VIP group. You're paying $150 a month, but you're getting the equivalent of the $1,000 for 30 minutes is what I charge for me. So it's $1,000 for 30 minutes. And you guys get me for usually 2 or 3 hours at a time. So yeah, it's definitely worth its weight. I mean, it's amazing what you guys are getting for that. Any other symbols you guys want me to call out? I'll wait. Oh, man. Or we can just go and I can pretend like it's the open and I could just go back to sleep. All right, peeps. You name a symbol. I'll tell you exactly where it's going. Not a financial, as it says everywhere, advisor. Demo trade only. Okay. Now, if nobody wants to name a symbol, that's fine. I can go back to looking at the other ones. For those of you who are just joining, we have a new VIP call out. Estee Lauder, it's in the VIP room. Please take a look at that when you can. Who's ever in the VIP room, you can look at that. How do you move to the bottom of this thing? Holy shit. What's today? Today is 2/17? What do I think it was? Holy shit. 2/15. Okay, okay. Give me a second here. Damn. Well, anyway, we got a lot of them. I can't go over all this. iTub 501. iTub 501 pan fishing. iTub. Sure. Let's take a look at iTub. ITUB. Okay. Oh, I could already tell you're a little too late. This is iTub. Never heard of it. Don't know what it is. Let's take a look. Waiting for the sniper rifle to come in. You can see there's a buy going up to the 30-second and 1 minute blue line, a sell to the 15-minute, but that's weird. It's way too high. There's got to be like a daily 12-hour buy back here somewhere. There's a 12-hour. There's the daily. Yeah, you're too late. The split. Oh, how cute. I never seen the S symbol. Any rate, daily buy. iTub was already there. It's too late. Nothing to call on this one. I'm not going to call it. But it was good. You should have did the daily on that one, though. Let me see that 3 months. Too high now. Yeah. No. Nothing to call on it. It's too late. You should have called it back here. If you'd had my system, you could have got in at $4.30. Jeez. You could have 2.5 times your money. Oh, well. Yeah, sorry about that. Options, no, nothing to take. I wouldn't touch an option with that 501 pan fishing. You're too late. You should have did the options at $4. You could have made your money. Hi, Kev, CAD Japan, if you don't mind. Looks like a sell to the 2 hour, then a weekly daily buy. You're welcome, Grant. All right, let's take a look at that for Grant. I know Grant is in our VIP. CAD Japan. So this is a Forex pair. A lot of you don't understand. You think like the stock market is big. The stock market is nothing. It is completely dwarfed by the Forex market. Forex is a $7.2 trillion a day business, if you can even get a real answer on that. This is Canadian Japan. It's a Forex exchange symbol. Remember, we are the only, where's it at? Remember, we are the only, oh, come on. Where is our trademark? There it is. We are the only trading system in the world that is has a trademark issued by the United States of America Patent and Trademark Office for coaching in the field of Forex trading and stock trading for building generational wealth. We're the only trading system in the world that has this. So remember that. Put some respect on the name of the safety trade system, but there it is. So CAD Japan was read to be what now? I see sell, 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 sell. To me, it looks like there's some kind of BS. A buy stop right there in the middle. Not sure why it's farting around with that, but let's take a look. It is 50. Well, what's going on down here? Why isn't it showing these? Oh, yeah. Buy stop to the, well, hold on. No, it is. Buy stop to the 4-minute, 5-minute line, CADJPY, 112.864. And you have to put all those stupid little digits in there or you won't get anything. Buy stop 15-minute to 113.392. Sell 1 hour. Sell 4 hour. Sell 3 hour. Sell 2 hour. It is a 1 hour sell to the 2 hour blue line, 112.015. Good call. Who wrote this? Grant? And then a daily, weekly. You go, Grant. Great call. Congratulations to Grant. Yay. Grant kicking ass. All right, let's see what's up here, though. We can see the upward trend with the sniper rifle shows us it's a buy, and it is. Daily buy stop. Daily, weekly buy. Love this daily, weekly buy stop. Oh, 3 month is low too? Ooh, 6 month is not. Yeah, 12 month is not. Damn, I wish you'd had this thing back. When was this? This is a long time ago, 2021. But we can do 3 month. All right, 3 month buy stop. This is official then. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can find on CADJPY. It is a 3-month buy stop, and yes, it'll be doing what it needs to do. But it is a daily, weekly, so let me make these call-outs for you guys. It's going to go back up to 113.106, take profit 1. It'll be going back up to 113.702, take profit 2. It'd be going back up to 114.213, take profit 3, then let the runner run. It will go past a record high of 115.151. And that is CADJPY.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I have some other ones, but we will talk about it in the VIP group later on in the week. Oh, okay. Other symbols he's talking about. Good. Yeah, I got a couple for you guys too, actually. All right. Shiv. Johnny Boy says Shiv. Let's see what a Shiv is. I don't know. These companies, where the fuck they come from? Where the heck do they come from? It's so weird to me. Shiv. Shivanash FinServe Limited. Is that English? Is this what he wants me to look at? Shiv. Okay. Shiv, we're going to wait for the sniper rifle to come in. It is the absolute unbelievably cheat sheet for those who trade regularly. You can trade any symbol with it. You click on it, let it load up, and it will tell you what everything is going to be doing. I can see this is a buy already, though, but it's going to tell you what this is going to be doing on all time frames. Fast, so you can scalp with it. You can do your day trades with it, and then you can do long-term trades with it. You can clearly see things are going down somewhere in this mess right here of that 1 minute, 3 minutes. Something's changing. Sell below, don't care. Already did it. Let me see here. Already did it. Already did it. Well, where's it going to? Already did it. Hold on. Shiva, S-H-I-V-A. I don't think that's a symbol he wants, but that's what he's getting because I don't see any others. No, 1 hour, sell, no. Let me see what's going on here. I don't like this. This is something. 1 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, sell. Sell to the 3 hour blue line, S-H-I-V-A. I don't know if that's what he wants, but that's what he's getting. $6.51. Okay. Daily. Buy. Weekly. Buy. 3 weekly. Weekly, 3 weekly buy. 6 months too high. 3 months. I mean, I'm honestly, if you guys are forcing my hand to call this, I will take profits, $7.64 and then $8.03.
Demo trade only.
I
am
don't
not a financial
officially.
advisor.
I don't like that symbol. You can put that down in the notes too, Kim, if you would. I don't like whatever that is. It's okay, but it's not for me. VGSH. There's just so many better other symbols out there. Vanguard short-term treasury. Now this one, Vanguard. Let's see. We should have a little something on here. I like that. Sell. Oh, snap. 3 months sell? That ain't good. Be careful with this symbol. I'll read it, but be careful with it. All right. I have a short list too. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to hit that. Oh, hit the wrong thing. Let me try that again. VGSH, I think it was. Sorry about that. Yeah, Vanguard. That's what we're looking at. There you go. Okay. Well, that's better. There you go. So now we're on the right side. All right. All buys. Everything's flipping over. Let me just check a couple things real quick. See where we're at. 15 minute. Already did it. 4 hour. Already did it. Let's see. It's daily 12 hour. Nope, don't like it. Daily. Buy. Oh, it was a buy to the blue line. Look at how many times it was a buy stop to the blue line. Oh my gosh, you could have made money once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times to the blue line. Oh my goodness. And then you guys tell me about it after I already hit it 7 times. Whatever. All right, why is this showing a sell though right here? What is this? Hold on. Let me see something real quick. Monthly. Damn. Well, I'm not going to make an official call. Kim put down only unofficially sell monthly, 3 monthly sell to $58.01 for this VGSH, please. Thank you. But yeah, this is weird. It's not something I want to call. This is just messed up. I don't like it. I.e. the 3 months, 6 months is a sell. The monthly 3 months is a sell. The daily already hit its blue line. I'm not wasting my time making a call on the rest of that. Thank you.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You're welcome, Grant. Can you check out S? Hope you have a good day, young sir. Young. Thank you, LSU. Yeah, I'm not young. Well, I guess. Whatever. I'm 60 if that's young. Could you check out SNDK? Thank you. Sure, Al Flacco. I wish I knew how to say his name properly. SNDK. SNDK. Hope that helped you, Johnny boy, by the way. SanDisk Corporation. All right. Again, first thing we check out is the sniper rifle, but I'm going to go ahead and do some others ones while we're waiting for that to pull in. I always love the daily. Oh, nice. Damn, too bad we didn't catch it here. 229. Oh, you could have tripled your money. Oh, yeah. I wish you guys would alert me to these things before. All right, we have a reversal. Looks like it sells, some kind of sell to 3 minute. And then there's not even enough information for a 4-hour daily. What? Yeah, there is. 12-hour. It's already gone up on the 12-hour to do it. Let me see if I can call this sell for you down here. It is a sell to the 3-minute blue line, $617.34. But, I mean, unless I can see something on this 3-month, it's a little late. You guys are late. It's too late on that, too. And there's no history. Yeah, can't call SNDK.
Demo trade only.
Sorry about that.
I am not a financial advisor.
You are 60. No way. Yeah, I'm 60 this year. Born in October 20th, 1966. Yeah, I'm 60. Fuck. Getting old as the hills, they say. Yeah, I am. Don't feel it. Other than this morning, I'm a little tired, but yeah. Oh, we have about 29 minutes, 28 minutes to market open. Remember, don't play market open. If you're going to play market open, make sure you get in and out super quick and listen to me on TikTok. You name a symbol, I'll tell you exactly where she's going. Throw them up. Now, again, let me put a caveat on here. Evidently, I wasn't clear enough on this. Please ask for symbols that have a history, so my system can read it. Boop, boop, doop, doop. All right. My daughter's birthday is October 20th. Nice. LSU. Yeah, it's a great day to be born on. Well, I have another friend, Cairo I used to own 3 gyms back in LaGrange, Georgia. But anyway, well, Noonan. Can't even spell history right. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. History. How about that? There we go. But yeah, he was born October 20th, 1986. So he was 20 years younger than me, Cairo. Big old boy. Big old man. All right, so name some symbols, but in the meantime. Okay, this is important. The next VIP private demo group trading class is open to the public, which happens one time a month only. Tomorrow. Must be in the email alerts to get the invite. You can join the email alerts for free at our site. That's how you do it. My daughter's birthday too. No way, Stacy. Oh my gosh. I never known a girl that was born on October 20th. Always been guys. Stock market closed on President's Day. Oh, I don't know. I don't care if it is. It is. It can't be closed right now. It might close early or something. That's what they usually do, but I don't know. If it's a federal holiday, right? We can still make out tons of call outs for you guys. Don't worry. MNQ. Yes. Does my system support 100%? Yes. Your answer is yes. Yeah. September 23rd is Precious' birthday, my beautiful wife's birthday. Yep. And January 5th is my oldest daughter's birthday. Holy crap, Stacy Ocho. What the hell? How do you have all the same birthdays as my family and everybody? That's funny. Oh my goodness. That is too funny. Yes. Thank you for answering him, 501 Pan Fishing. Yes. Your MNQ is actually one of the ones that we follow very, very closely. NQ1 is MNQ. It's just a different size. That's all. ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, US30, and YM1. If you didn't know, those YM1s and NQ1s are your future markets. What's up, JL Bob? Tap the heart. Thank you, JL. Jose. You're welcome, Ebo. All right, I'm going to stay on for another 25 and a half minutes. I'm so tired. I can't sleep till I stayed. I lay there from like 4 o'clock till 7. I made the mistake and opened up TikTok. Oh my goodness, it's been a nightmare. Hey, Kev. In my Discord, what did I do wrong? How do I fix it? I was away for a couple of weeks. Couldn't respond earlier. What's up, Kenny? No problem. I have joined. Well, that's interesting. This is what has to happen, Kenny. You come over to here and you tell me where you might have messed up. Come over to here and you apply to join the VIP group. Okay. You come over to here. Boop. Click to learn more. You pay your $1 and that gets you to the application process. We've turned down 20 people. Because 20 people, we turned down 2 people. And because some people didn't purchase like you did, and it's still open so people can still purchase like the final whatever spots that's saying. Yeah. It's amazing. The system's just amazing. Anyway, and then you go ahead and click on the one you want. So you come down here, blah, blah, blah. And then you go down to whichever version. Did you pay for the signals or the sniper? Then you pay $150 a month. If you haven't, you pay $350 a month. So what happens is you apply for it, and then we send you out the link to purchase. You had 3 days to do that. Sounds like you didn't do that. So if you need to repurchase, just send us a nicely worded email to the Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com, and then we will send you out a purchase link to actual purchase it. Now, if you have purchased this already, who is that? Kenny. Then go ahead and send out a nicely worded email with your receipt of purchase, and then we'll get you in it. Me, January 5th, daughter, October 20th, and son, 9/20. That is so funny. Let me send a picture of that. Let me get a picture of that. Oh my goodness. I've never known anybody with family members like that, not even my own family. That's funny. I'll try to show my beautiful wife that when she wakes up. All right. So does that help you out, Kenny? Sorry. Yeah, that goes for anybody. Just because you paid the $1, you don't get this. You don't get the VIP room for $1. I actually had a guy do that. Good morning, Jose. Thank you, everybody on TikTok for being there. YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Did that answer your question, Kenny? Good. Maybe we'll see a pull at that open. I'll judge that as we go. Oh, boy. Nothing personal, but 9:30 can't get here fast enough. I got to go, peeps. I wouldn't even have came on this morning, but I wasn't sleeping anyway, so I figured I might as well come on and give you guys some free money. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. I guess I helped Kenny. I don't know. He never responded. All right. Anybody else have any other symbols they want me to call out? We still have some time, and I'm too tired to bother with doing anything else. So if you guys have some symbols, let me know. The next VIP private demo group trading class is open to the public. which happens one time per month only. Tomorrow, 2/16. Matter of fact, I'm going to quit having the open invite. They're going to have to just sign up during certain days, once a month. I will try to figure it out later today. Thanks. Okay, Kenny. Again, if you're paying your $150 a month, you're in the group. If you're not paying your $150 a month, you're not in the group, or $350 a month, or $1,000 a month. People don't have the system can join the VIP trading group for $1,000 a month. I wouldn't. I think that's a silly waste of money, but to each his own. Now, let me see if I can go back here. No. Let me see if I can go back this way. Maybe not. I draw a lot of things, don't I? Jeez. Yeah, okay. This is not working out. Let me go back this way. All right, we have about 20 minutes to market open. Thank goodness. Yay. Aha. We'll leave it right there for now. Let me go back to here then. Nobody has any symbols they want me to call out. Okay. Well, let's take a look what's going on here then. Sell, sell, sell. We have Oreo sandwich on a sell for SPX and ES1 on the 1 minute. Let's see what that's about. Go to the 1 minute. Hold on. Let's grab it. That's not accurate. Why did it say that? What was that? 1 minute. Oh, it just changed. So we have a 30-second US 30. Let me see what that is then. Sell towards the 30-second blue line US 30. YM1. I never do sells on these symbols. They're only buys, perpetual buys, because the long term is a buy. We have a daily, weekly buy stop in place for all 6 indices that we trade on a regular basis, 2 of which are the futures. ASUS. We're calling NAS now as you speak. NAS will be called out. It's so remember what happens with one happens with them all. So when you see this sell going on here, boop. When one goes up, they all go up. When one goes down, they all go down. If one lags, it will catch up to the other indices. And that's what the rules are. Everyone should print that and have that printed out. So as this one's being called to go down, so is NAS. So who is doing the coding now? Tommy, who was on earlier, is doing the coding for the new... finishing up the code for the new Breebots that are coming, and Tommy's one of our OG members, like Keith was. So that's doing the coding for us. He was just on this morning. Super genius, man. Tommy is the nicest, one of the nicest people I know, one of the smartest people I know, and an absolute stud genius when it comes to trading. He's unbelievable, and he's working on the code. Matter of fact, we're going to try to get together tomorrow night to do some more coding on it. About 16 minutes to market open. Thank you, Lord. I will stay through market open. I'm hoping we get a pullback at market open, but I don't know. We'll have to see how this develops here. I'm a little not feeling it this morning. He's a senior electrical engineer, by the way. Tommy is. He's made a $200,000 trade before you. Oh, touchdown. We have US 32. It's 32nd blue line. Bippity boppity boo right there. Touchdown. There it is. Boom, right past it. And now we have YM1 to its 32nd. You'll notice they all went down at the same time. Doop, 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 doop. You're welcome. Another free call out given by me this morning to help the trading community out. All I ask for is in return, after you guys make your demo money, please buy the system. Thank you very much. Everybody on TikTok, you should be happy with these call outs. I don't charge you for them. Went right to it and past it. And we knew that it was going to do that because we have a cheat sheet right there. See how it's not to its 45-second blue line now? So now we have what's called a sell Oreo sandwich trade. I just love pissing people off. See all this red right here? See all the red right here? See all the red right here? And here? And here? And red means down. So the only things that are green right here, 45-second, they fall in order, 1 minute and 2 minute. So these haven't fallen yet, and they will. And then we'll wait for the buy stop to happen, hopefully at open. But again, I don't really care if it does or doesn't. I believe you get Breebot, you want it, it will be a sniper. I don't understand any of that LSU. The Breebot's going to be 4 bots. 4 this way. It's going to be a bot for scalping, right? So you can do your fast trades that you guys want. It'll be trading that way for you. That'll be the last one made, though. It's so tricky. Trust me on that one. It's going to be a challenge. But anyway, the Breebot is going to have a scalping Breebot, save for the futures. It's going to have a normal daily trading robot for any symbol you put it on. Then you're going to have another Breebot that's going to be for the higher time frames. That's going to be very, very slow. It's going to be like Warren Buffett. You just put $50 a week, $50 a month, $25 a month, and let it accumulate. It will just keep growing and growing and growing. It's like your retirement one. It's unbelievable. And then that's the one. I don't know if that'll be the first one or not. We might have that 30-minute one done first, 30-minute through 10-hour. Then we're going to have a 12-hour through 6-month. And then you'll have a one that trades just like you're seeing here. It'll trade all of these symbols all at once. And that's what will be getting coded, probably done first because we've already been there. Now, I'm not looking for any sells, by the way. The only trade I'm looking for is a buy at open. The only... Okay. Persistent. I had a luxury of Kick help me out. Yeah, Kick knows a lot. To the point of can be a little bit confusing when he goes into some of his explanations. He's so smart. He's like on a level way up here. And it's kind of interesting how that works out. Yeah, I mean that when you release the Breebot, it will be great. Oh, yeah, it will be. When the Breebot... all 4 versions of the Breebot are released, everyone's going to be happy campers. And I'm not releasing it unless it has a 90 to 95% win rate or higher. Now on the sniper, on the scalping trade one, it's going to be that's going to be a hard code for me. There's a lot to those faster trades that I'm going to have to get in and out really quick. But I'll get it. Yeah, we're going to wait for basically, if we can get this at open, I'm going to wait right here on the 1 second and 5 second. We're going to wait for these to turn green. And then we'll start. I'll call some trades for you. But I'm not staying more than 9:31. I cannot. I'm too tired. I'm not doing it. So let's hop on down here to the 1 second and see what we shall see. We'll wait. TikTokers, any questions? YouTubers, any questions? We're waiting for market open. I'll be calling it out. Thank you for being here, JL Jose. Thank you for being here, Gio, Larry Cooper, the Griffey, Super Z, Kev, Mr. C, Eddie, Liz, FX Bull. Welcome to the channel, FX Bull, DD21 Investing, Tracy 14, another Jose, Alex Trays, Jay, Big Calico Kid, Fat Bastard. I love the name Fat Bastard. Get in my belly. Money Hustle, Respect, Dirk Odds, Forever Interior Solutions, CG, and Martar. A lot of you are new. I see some of you are current. We're waiting on yes, we do. The system works on 1 second charts. I'm just waiting for it to form a buy stop so we can see if we can grab it and get into the open. 9.5 minutes to market open. Please do not trade market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let me see. I swear my alarms just, well, fuck this shit. Hold on. Let me grab these right here. I'm going to throw up some generic alerts so that I can hear it when it comes around. I don't want to deal with anymore. Let me close that too while I'm at it. Yeah. These are just signals for me to know when this thing flips around so I can hear it or see it anyways. All right, there we go. What's up, Sally? Great day. Welcome, Sally. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad everybody's here on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual closeness to Him. Thank God for another day of me and my beautiful wife, Bree, being together, being healthy and happy as we can be. 1 second buy stop, NAS to the 1 second blue line. That goes for all indices, but let's see if we can call it. I'm just a little bit hyper, but what the hell? Right there. This is what we're looking at inside of that. And I get that a lot of you don't understand what's happening, but that's why you're here to learn. And I'm tired. How many more minutes? Fuck. 8 minutes to market open. It's like the slowest draw you could possibly have. Oh, boy. I'm going to call a 1 second buy on NAS to the blue line at open, but that's just, let's hope to God it happens. I'll recall the 5 second, 10 second after it occurs. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We are waiting, not patiently. Man, pray some prayers I can go back to sleep. I don't know. We'll see. I got so much shit to do. I might not sleep anyways. Yeah, I can't call shit. It's a 1 second sell. You got to be patient with this stuff, but I'm not. But we'll see. I should really check that 4 hour. Let me see that 4 hour candle. Well, we got a second. Ooh, yeah, that's not good. 7 minutes to market open. Sell. 4 hour sell. Fuck. 4 hour sell to the blue line. NQ1. It's got to do it. It's a ricochet. Oh, we're probably not going to get anything at open. Fudge. Let me see that daily. Ah, gorgeous. Daily, weekly buy stop to record highs. All 6 indices. Daily, weekly. That doesn't help us on this open, though, so I'm going to have to sit right here and watch paint dry. Oy. I shouldn't have came on. I should have stayed asleep today. I ain't getting you guys much. Well, I got you 4 trades that were easy. This one, whatever. Yeah. In 6 minutes, I'll be getting off of this live and going back to sleep if I can, which I probably can't. SMCI, PFE, VIP group, and including L are going to be gone over tomorrow. Some of you may or may not know, we have a VIP group, private trading group only. It's an exceptional group doing exceptional things. I mean, it's really good. I'm shocked how well it's going. Let me see if I still kept that, though, for you. What was that? Yeah, this is what I want to get you guys in. I would absolutely, strongest recommendation possible, join this class tomorrow. The one time a month it's open to the public. This will not happen again until this. Well, I don't know when I'll have it next month. I'm probably going to try to do it at a certain time of the month, but end or the beginning of the month, probably more than the middle, like it is this time. So you'll see it one time again the following month also, and that's it. If anybody has any questions over the class, let me know. We got up to about 61, so it's about 70, almost 80 people this morning. Yay. Good morning to each and every one of you. Thank you for spending your time. All right, let's go back to the charts and see what we shall see. Doop. We're waiting for this price action to go here. Buy stop NAS to the 1 second blue line again. Wait for the orange line to dip below the red, yellow, and then enter once it crosses over the top. No way. Come on. Go if you need to after it must attend. Great information in there. I agree with you. Tell everyone what goes on in the VIP class. What goes on in the VIP class? The most amazing information passed out. Everyone can talk. Well, that's in the group. Everyone that can talk. You can make your own whatever you want to do. And I teach you exactly how, in a much more simpler, laid back way, how I trade. And then you get your own call outs. Like I made a call out in the VIP group. Now, market open in 3 minutes. Market open in 3 minutes. Simply put, it's the most amazing class you'll ever attend in your life for trading. If you actually want to learn how to trade, if you actually want to learn how to be consistently profitable, attend the class. Oh, 1 second sell. Fuck out of here. I think we're getting dragged down. We don't have a choice. It's going to go down because of the 4 hour sell. Fuck, I thought we could at least get a simple little candle wick out of that 4 hour. Oy, I'm not trading these sells. I don't trade sells. I only do buys, so I have to wait. 1 second sell. Come on. I ain't got time for this shit. Market open in 2.5 minutes.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What he said. What happens in the VIP stays in the VIP. Oh my gosh. Sounds like we're going to Vegas. Hoping for the pullback up at open. I'll call the 5 second for you guys. We're literally on the 1 second charts, which I always taught was impossible to trade, but it's not. It's actually very easy to trade. One of our members trades gold. Matter of fact, in our VIP group, one of our members named Mr. Gold, who trades gold, is retired from trading gold, and he uses the 1 second entries. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, they must. Are they closing early today? I guess they're probably because it's President's Day. I know the only 2 days they close, I believe, is Thanksgiving and Christmas, the markets. That's a 1 second sell again. Fuck. Oy, come on. LSU. 1 minute to market open. Once I'm on my feet, I'm definitely going to. Nice, Sally. I can't wait for you to get in there, Sally. CME closes too. Good morning. What's up, John Parker? Good morning. What's up, John? I'm just barely hanging in there this morning. Yeah, praying for you to get on your feet very soon, Sally. Praying for you. I am no longer popular using your own funds. I love that, LSU. Yay, that's fantastic. 2 today, 11:45. Congrats, LSU. Yeah, LSU's doing really good. All right, we're just sitting here, twiddling our thumbs. Less than a minute to market open. I never do a sell. I am strictly calling the buy. If it doesn't go up there, I'm not calling it. So it is the way it is. I just wait for it. Market open. Oh, Jesus. I'll even take US 30 going up there. Come on, peeps. You see, it's in the middle of this pull down. There's nothing it can break free of. Fuck. Look for the reversal. This is what I'm going to tell you guys to do when we leave here. I'm going to give you a free call out to everybody. Look for your reversal right here. Wait for the 1 second, 5 second to flip. Wait for US 30 to go over. Once you see that and you see SPX ES1 join it, play this NAS. Or if you're going to do like you like the ES1s, wait for US 30 to go over its 15 second, NQ1 and NQ NAS to go over its 15 second, wait for ES1 to go over, then play this one. Either or, any of those is how I look for it. Wait for this flip to come around. Just be patient, 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 which I have none of. I got to go. All right. God bless you all on TikTok. Everyone have a great morning. Talk to you all later. YouTubers, got to run also. Let's see, is TikTok off? No. Yep, TikTok's off. All right, YouTubers, got to go. Talk to you all later. God bless. All right. Well, that was easy. Maybe I